Hello and welcome to iFillFull kitchen. Today's recipe is Lebanese Mlokheyye, and the ingredients for this recipe are 1 full chicken, half kg of Mlukheyye leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 5 pieces of cardamom in full, 5 pieces of cloves, 3 pieces of bay leaves, 3 tablespoons of mashed garlic, 3 bunches of cilantro, 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 squeezed lemon. So first we will start with boiling the chicken in hot water and the full spices we mentioned until it gets soft. Now we will start with preparing the mallow. The mallow has to be soaked for 2 hours at least, or through the night is better, with changing the water every now and then until the mucus substance is reduced. That's when we will start squeezing out the water and placing it in a dry bowl. Now heat some oil in a pot and fry the mallow until they get soft. Keep in mind that if you feel that it's dry, add more oil so they don't get burnt. Now let's chop the cilantro. In a separate pan, heat some oil and fry the mashed garlic. In my case, the mashed garlic I'm using is already soaked in olive oil, so I didn't add in the beginning. But then I felt that it's a little bit dry, so I added extra olive oil. The reason I added extra olive oil is because I will add the cilantro, and while frying the cilantro with the garlic, they will absorb a lot of oil, and we don't want them to get dry, because if they get dry, they can get burnt easily and lose their flavor. Here my chicken is ready now, so I removed it out and placed it on a plate and let it chill. We will add the cilantro and garlic to the mallow and stir them together, and we will add some of the chicken broth so it will get the flavor of the spices and it will make the leaves softer. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. And at the same time we will debone the chicken. So we will remove the chicken parts from the bones. Now we will add the deboned chicken to the mallow, stir them together, and don't forget to add the salt and pepper the way you prefer. And finally, we will add the lemon and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes together. So we're done. Serve it with rice and smacznego. Thank you for watching iFillFull Kitchen. Don't forget to watch our previous videos, like, share and subscribe. Ramadan Kareem to all of you.